Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I hope that you all are fine. So guys, here we will see and read the topic of sensor neuron. Okay, what are sensor neuron and how we can see and understand them. So before and without wasting our time, let's start the video. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon. So sensor neuron, also known as different neurons, okay, are neuron in the nervous system that convert a specific type of stimulus via their receptors into action potential or grade receptors potential. This process is called sensor transduction. The cell bodies of the sensor neuron are located in the dorsal root ganglia of the spinal cord. Okay, the sensor information travel on the afferent nerve fibers in the sensor nerve to the brain via the spinal cord. Spinal nerves transmit external sensation via sensory nerves to the brain through mm, through the spinal cord. The stimulus can come from extra receptors outside the body. For example, those are the detect light and sound, or from interoceptors inside the body. For example, those are the responses to blood pressure, or those are the sense of the body position. Now here is type and function. Sensor neuron is vertebrate are predominantly predominant unipolar or bipolar, and different type of sensor neuron have different sensor receptors that respond to different kind of stimuli. There are at least 6 external and 2 internal sensor receptors. Okay, let's see what are these receptors. So external receptors, let's see what are these. External receptors that respond to stimuli from outside the body are extra receptors. Extra receptors include chemoreceptors such as olfactory receptors, smell, taste receptors, photoreceptors, vision, thermoreceptors, temperature, nociceptors, pain, hair cells, hearing, balance, and the number of other different mechanoreceptors for touch, proprioception, stretch, distortion, and stress. Okay, now if we talk about smell, the sensor neuron involved in smell are olfactory sensor neurons. These neuron contains receptors and olfactory receptors that are activated by odor molecules in the air. The molecules in the air are detected by in a large cilia and microvillia. These sensor neurons produce action potential. They are axon from the olfactory nerve, and they are uh, synapses directly into neuron into a cerebral contracts olfactory bulb. They do not use the same router as the other sensor system. Bypassing the brain stem, the thalamus, the neuron in the olfactory bulb that receive direct sensor nerve input have connection to the other part of olfactory system and many part of limbic system 9. Okay, now here is the taste. Taste sensation is facilitated by a specialized sensor neuron located in the taste buds or the tongue or other part of mouth and throat. These sensor neurons are responsible for detecting different taste qualities such as sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and severe. When you eat, drink something, chemical in the food or liquid interact with receptors on the sensor neuron, triggering signals at that are sent to the brain. The brain then processes these signals and interprets them as a specific taste sensation, allowing you to perceive and enjoy the flavors of the food you consume. When taste receptor cells are stimulated by building of this chemical compound, tested, it can be lead to change in the flow of icons. So here is our topic is ended here. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.